In the future, you have to use Delta Airlines. So in order to do this, head over to delta.com, and in here you can see that you have a lot of things to do. You can either book a flight, check in from a flight, see in here your flight, everything, as well as check your flight status. So for example, let's choose in here this date, and then just put in here your flight number, or you can also put in here the actual destination and origin that you're gonna come from. So for example, let's search for Toronto, and then let's head over to Sydney. You can search for destination and then click onto this search option, and then it should be able to see in here the flight status. To take note that you have a lot of things that you can do onto this particular flight or to this particular website. You can book a ticket, you can check in, and you can do a lot of things based onto this one, and you can actually see a lot of things as well.